This is the opening scene from the 1987 movie called The Believers. It stars Martin Sheen and Helen Shaver. It's not a chemistry-based movie or science-based movie for that matter, but this scene really caught me. So as you see, the dad spills milk, the mom is trying to clean it up, and she's stepping in it. Like, who steps in something when you're cleaning it up? The son then tells her that the coffee maker is malfunctioning. So she goes to try to turn it off, and this is what happens. She gets electrocuted. And I've always, heard about water, but I never really thought that milk could electrocute anyone. And so here she is, just getting electrocuted. So I set out to conduct an experiment to see if this is possible. I wanted to find out if milk conducts electricity. And then I also wanted to find out what other common household solutions conduct electricity. So like water, baking soda, bleach, lemon juice, Gatorade, or rubbing alcohol. I used a 13-volt AC adapter, a mono cable, a 14-volt flashlight bulb and socket, and then some wood, screws, and other hardware. This is how it looked when it was complete, and I began testing my solutions. Milk is a slightly acidic mixture containing ionic and covalent compounds. So it has charged ions. When you drink a cup of milk, you're getting your important electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Next, we have distilled and tap water. Distilled water doesn't contain any charged ions, so it will not conduct electricity, whereas tap water contains dissolved salts and minerals to make water drinkable. But it doesn't seem that here in Kenner there's a significant amount of minerals in the water, because my tap water actually didn't conduct any electricity, as you can see. Here we have baking soda and tap water. When baking soda is dissolved into the tap water, it breaks into a mild alkaline solution with positive and negative conducting ions. So it dissociates into the ions Na positive and HCO3 negative, and this increases the conductivity. I have a few more solutions. Here is bleach. As you can tell, it shines very brightly, and the light bulb stays lit for a few seconds after you take the probe out. Next, we have lemon juice. Lemons have a strong concentration of two acids, citric and ascorbic acid, so it's a very electrolyte solution that way. That's why it lights up so much. Then we have Gatorade. Obviously, it contains electrolytes, which are substances that ionizes when dissolved in solvents such as water. So it contains sodium, potassium, and chloride. I wanted to revisit the milk concept. Had the mother in the movie not been standing in milk, she might have gotten shocked at best, but it seems that milk conducts electricity pretty well. So that ultimately led to her demise.